So how do you explain Porter's 5 forces? Yes, you budding business students. Well, here's a nice analogy. Think about it like a card game. So here we have our main business. It's a coffee shop owner, and we want to understand how many coffee shops are there in that little town where they're operating. Now, in this particular case, there's not that many. Let's think about it like a card game. The force that holds most of the cards can tell the other one, well, jump. And they have to say, how high? So in this particular case, if we look at the coffee shop, well, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. Wow. So in comparison to a new entrant, which only has 2 cards, who has the greatest force? Well, of course, the coffee shop says jump to the new entrants, because, you know, it's a small little town and there's only 2 other little coffee shops who are trying to open. So the force is strong with this one. Yes, the coffee shop holds all the cards. Let's compare the coffee shop to substitutes. Well, again, the only new substitute is a bubble tea shop. So again, the force is strong with this one. The coffee shop holds all the cards. If we compare it to the buyer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close, they're pretty much equal. The force is a bit equal over here. But again, when we look at the supplier, in terms of coffee beans and so on, they have 3 cards. Again, the coffee shop has 6 cards. The force is strong with this one, which means overall, using a Porter's 5 forces, the coffee shop is in a very good position. And the key force that they need to be careful of are the buyers. So again, in terms of a strategy, they might have loyalty cards because again, of course, there's some other substitutes and these buyers might switch to go to these other coffee shops. And that's pretty much Porter's 5 forces.